Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the HR101 robot vacuum and mop combo, a versatile 3-in-1 cleaning solution designed to tackle dust, pet hair, and more with ease. This sleek device combines vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping, featuring a 250 ml dust box and a 200 ml water tank, with an electronically controlled water tank offering 2-speed water outlet modes for uniform penetration on hard floors. With a powerful 1,600 pascals suction motor and a roller brush, it efficiently cleans various surfaces, from tile to carpet, while the Tuya Smart app and remote control allow for seamless operation, including voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant. The HR101 offers 3 cleaning modes, Auto, Spot, and Edge, and features advanced 3D obstacle avoidance, enabling it to navigate around white walls, stairs, and other obstacles with ease. Its slim 2.89-inch design ensures it reaches every corner, while the 2,600 mAh lithium battery provides up to 100 minutes of runtime, automatically returning to the charging dock when needed. With 3 levels of suction adjustment and a high-performance filter system, it effectively captures dust, fine particles, and allergens, making it ideal for homes with pets. Included in the package are the vacuum robot, remote control, charging base, power adapter, water tank, dustbin, and side brushes, ensuring you have everything you need for a spotless home.